I am Richard Stewart, Deputy Commissioner of Police with responsibility for the crime and security portfolio. I am here on the scene of the murder of Corporal Main, who used to serve at the Kingston Western Police Division and has served for over 20 years. This is a stark reminder of the realities that the police have to face on a day-to-day basis. The facts in brief are that about 5:30 a.m. his body was found. The facts that we have indicate that he came from his vehicle and was pounced upon and shot. The investigation is very young, and we are working on a theory we are still working on a theory. Nonetheless, we're appealing to members of the public to assist in helping us to bring this investigation to a speedy conclusion. To other colleagues, I just want to point out that and give the assurance that we will not spare any resources that is needed to bring this matter to a quick conclusion.
Would you be at liberty to say how many shots he got?
I'm indicating that the investigation is very young. We are pulling the evidence and piecing them together. At this time, we are not in a position to say exactly what occurred. I will encourage our officers to be vigilant and again assure that they have our support once they take lawful action to defend themselves and their families.